If you want to change anything, you just got to tap on the oblong down the bottom and it gives you a whole range of different shooting options. So there's standard here, full frame, activity. These are presets that are already currently loaded in there as well. Ultra slow mode. So some of these are kind of quite new. Now, if you want to make any changes to the settings, it's super easy. You just got to press on the pencil here on the right-hand side, and just like on the Hero 9 and the Hero 10, you have a whole list of what your options are on the back. So you can change your resolution, your frame rate, your lens, turn hyper smooth on or off. All your normal pro settings are all here. Of course, you have some shortcuts down here as well. This top one here, under standard, that is currently set to... We do have the option down here, the bottom two, where you can zoom in if you want to. Currently it's set at 1x zoom, and you can make it up to 1.4. So it's not a massive amount of zoom, but and over here we've got the lens that you can choose. So currently it's set to a wide lens. You can make it linear with horizon lock, which is one I normally like to use. And you can even make it hyper view, which is crazy, crazy wide. And over here 1x, that's the current speed that we're recording at.